Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back, and if you're new here, then welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how I made this pocket posy Christmas decor using a tin can. So if you'd like to see how I do this, then please keep watching. I will be using a medium-sized can. I've washed and removed the label from. I'm going to turn it over, and with the can opener, I'm just going to remove the bottom. Make sure that there aren't any sharp edges. Next, I'm going to smash the bottom of the can. You can do this by using a hammer or a vise. It's a little harder to use the hammer, so I took mine out to my garage and I used my husband's vise. But if you don't have a vise, a hammer will work. Sorry about the lighting here, but it was dark outside and this is the best that I could do. So before I put the can in the vise, I want to make sure that the seam of the can is in the back. So I'm just squeezing the bottom of the can a little, then I'm placing it in the vise, and then closing the vise to get the bottom smashed as nice and flat as I can. So here is the can now that the bottom is smashed. Next, I will be giving the can 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum Ultimate Ultra Matte Spray Paint in the color white. Now that the paint is dry, I will be using one of these deer napkins from Walmart and some Mod Podge. I'm just cutting a square of the napkin. Then I peel off the back layer and place the napkin in the center of the can. Then I fold the bottom of the napkin, marking where I need to cut, and then I cut off the excess. Now I'm going to paint some Mod Podge on the can where I want the napkin to go. Then I place the napkin down, starting at the bottom, then smoothing it out with my fingers. Once I get the napkin in place, I'm painting another layer of Mod Podge on top, and then I let it dry. Next, I will be dry brushing some of this barn red paint from Apple Barrel across the front of the can. This step is optional, so you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Next, I will be taking some of the floral foam from Dollar Tree, and I'm just cutting it down to fit inside the can. Then I'm adding hot glue to the foam to secure it to the inside of the can. I will be using some of this greenery from Dollar Tree. I'm just adding the greenery, arranging it however I think that it looks nice. I did not secure it with hot glue, but you can if you want to. Next, I will be using some of this wired jute cord from Dollar Tree to make a hanger. So I know what you're thinking. Why didn't I add a hanger before the greenery? Well, that's because I forgot. So make sure that if you want a hanger to add it before the greenery, don't do what I did. So I just used hot glue to secure the cord to the inside of the can. And if I had thought about it sooner, I would have made holes in the sides of the can to tie a hanger on. But hindsight's 20/20, right? So if I make another one, I will make sure to add the hanger before I do anything else. So here's how the project turned out. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!